But getting back to your question about why the Brain Park, what we envision the Brain Park to be, this diverse complex of different neurotechnology and other companies that are working on some of the most innovative problems in medicine today.
So Brain Technology Innovation Park, or BTIP, was formulated back in 2010. We identified 2 pieces of land in Los Angeles area to have this, biotech park for brain built.
This is a huge endeavor, massive undertaking, a lot of money required to not only secure the land that was required to build this campus, but also to attract companies to come to the city of El Segundo in the LA region.
And it's really going to place UCLA and Los Angeles at the forefront of biomedical and quantum computing research and contribute to our already very special status globally as a biotechnology, R&D, and manufacturing hub. And it's our hope that this is going to be a place that will generate incredible research that will ultimately help us to address some of our biggest health challenges, from cancer to autoimmune diseases and neurological disorder.
The Brain Technology Innovation Park is extremely exciting. We are building a physical edifice for all of us to come and bring our thoughts to one place so we can discover new technologies and innovate in the biotech sector.
The idea of getting people from the scientific community, from the physical science community, from the biological science community, from the neuroscience community, all in one place to share ideas and share a coffee pot. A lot of research is done around the coffee pot.
It's almost like a playground where we are allowed to make mistakes, but ultimately we want our technologies and our brain power to help humanity and bring the field forward to a stratosphere that no one else has experienced.
The idea was to force the brilliant scientists who were all huddled up in their own buildings. You know, they used to have physics and chemistry and biology and computers. We needed to get them out of their buildings, put them together like a Manhattan project so they would work together convergently. That wasn't a word back then. It's not even a word now, but now you're hearing it all the time. People are getting it, and Babak really gets it. I saw it in one of his statements. You need to get all of these brilliant people to work together because these problems, like brain mapping, they're too big for one human brain. Nobody's that brilliant, but you can put together a team of brilliant people and they can do it.
California is kind of a rich technology state, a rich biotechnology state in particular.
We have more than 1,000 PhDs at Aerospace Corporation alone in El Segundo. And we like to say we have the deepest density of intellectual capital, probably in all of LA County.
The hope is that we will use SBMT as a platform for people not only to share their ideas, but spend some more time in LA, bring your ideas to us.
The Brain Technology and Innovation Park is a way of doing that. It's to actually have a structure, a physical structure that can attract, promote, foster the development of new biotechnologies that are really on the cutting edge.
We are fortunate to partner with the City of El Segundo on this Brain Technology Innovation Park initiative. And we are very hopeful to be able to take the Brain Technology Innovation Park to the finishing line after, I would say, 14 years of pushing this idea of having a space to house the massive network of SBMT.
We need support from state senators, state assembly members, Congress members, the federal government at the highest level to make this happen. And Babak's been great about drawing up a lot of that support. He's been working really hard. We've been having meetings every single week with all the stakeholders that I mentioned to try and bring this project to fruition.